All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we're finishing up AD's project. It's all set. So he wanted big bass in a little space. So obviously there isn't a ton of space in this vehicle. It's a two-seater. It was a four-seater, but not really. These are what they call insurance seats. You can't fit anybody back here, and we'll show you once we put the seat back. But so what we did is we deleted the rear seat and we built this enclosure. It's two 12-inch L7s. We did a logo, it lights up, that matches the underglow. So the car also now has underglow. The speakers as well as the logo go with the underglow. So with an app, you can control all the lighting in the vehicle, underneath and inside. The nice thing about this is it still looks the part, especially when you put the seat all the way back. All you really see is the logo, and this looks as if it could have came with the vehicle, and it's bolted in. I mean, it is literally part of the car. Huge improvement over before. If you know anything about these SCs, they have a small 8-inch sub that lives behind the seat, but it's useless, right? Especially with a convertible, you can't hear a thing. The client wanted a full underglow kit. So what we did is we added a full underglow kit, which is RGB. So with an application, you're able to change the colors for anything you want. We also match that to the inside. So these grills they're lit up. So the woofers are lit, as well as we hand fabricated in-house this logo, which is the Lexus logo, and it's backlit, as well as the speakers and the underglow. He can push the seat all the way back, and there's still plenty of space. This car just rocks. With the seats back, I mean, the only thing that really stands out is the logo itself. So he doesn't drive this car every day. This is more of like a weekend car, a special occasion. So the batteries tend to die, right? Because if you don't drive any car, I don't care what it is, for a month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever, it's gonna die. The nice thing about this little trickle charger is it will keep the battery maintained. You could come back a week from now, a month from now, a year from now, 10 years from now, and the thing will still start right up. So it's a simple little thing, but it really helps to save your battery because
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.